Welcome to Narayan PU online classes. Already in the previous episode we discussed the positive and negative deviations from the Raoult's law. Okay, so in this today's session we want to start with the azeotropes. Okay, what are azeotropes only? Okay, azeotropes means here the binary mixture having a same composition having what? Same composition in liquid and vapor state and boils at constant temperature. Okay, binary mixture having same composition in what state? In liquid and vapor state, boils at constant temperature. This is called as what? Azeotropes. What are you calling azeotropes? Okay, so the components of the azeotropes. Cannot be separated by fractional distillation. The components of the azeotropic mixture cannot be separated by fractional distillation. Why means here once the composition is reached, the solution become a pure liquid only, so we cannot separate the components of which one? Azeotropes by what method? Fractional distillation only. Let us see the types of these azeotropes. Okay, the first we have minimum boiling azeotropes. Minimum boiling azeotropes. What are minimum boiling azeotropes? Yesterday already we discussed one point in positive deviation and negative deviation from the Raoult's law. Okay, what is minimum boiling azeotropes? Means the solutions which shows large positive deviation from the Raoult's law. The solutions that shows large positive deviation from Raoult's law. The solution which shows large positive deviation from the Raoult's law is called as what? Minimum boiling azeotropes. Minimum boiling azeotropes. Okay. So generally, what is the boiling point of the solution? Means the boiling point of the solution is less than boiling point of the two components only. Boiling point of solution is less than boiling point of two component. So this is what you can say, this is what? Minimum boiling azeotropes only. Okay, what are the example for this minimum boiling azeotropes only? Minimum boiling azeotropes, you are taking an example, rectified spirit. What example, ma'am? Rectified spirit. What is rectified spirit? Means 95% of ethyl alcohol plus 5% of water is called as what composition? It is called as a rectified spirit only. Okay. So whenever the composition of ethyl alcohol reaches to 95% and water the water composition is 5%, it will form a pure liquid. So the components cannot be separated. So this comes under which one? Means here minimum boiling azeotropes. So the second type of azeotrope we have maximum boiling azeotrope only. What is the maximum boiling azeotrope means? The solution that shows large negative deviation from the Raoult's law. Large negative deviation. Large negative deviation from Raoult's law is called what's azeotrope means here maximum boiling azeotropes only. Maximum boiling azeotropes. So we'll write here one point. The boiling point of solution is more than boiling point of two components. The boiling point of solution is more than boiling point of the two components. So what the example for this one means here 68% of HNO3 plus 32% of water. This is a weight percent only. This is an example for which one means this is an example for what? Maximum boiling azeotropes. In the preparation of nitric acid, suppose the concentration is reaches to 68% and the concentration of water is 32, then that component we can say pure liquid. The components cannot be separated by fractional distillation. So this is regarding about which one? Types of azeotropes only. Let us see some examples for minimum boiling azeotropes. Okay, already we discussed the ethanol with water. You see the table here, components A and B. A mass of B in the azeotropes, boiling points of the two components A and B, and this is the azeotrope temperature only. Let us see the first example. We have A, that is water, and B is ethanol. Already we discussed that is a rectified spirit example. Okay, here the mass of A is B in azeotrope, how much you have? 95.57 only. Boiling point of A is 373 and boiling point of B how much? 351.3 and the boiling point of azeotrope is how much here? 351.15. Okay. So this example for which one? Minimum boiling azeotrope. So means what here? The boiling point of the solution is less than boiling point of the two components. What are the boiling point of solution or azeotrope here? That is 351.15. That is less than component A, that is water, and it is one more component we have B. What is B? Ethanol. So like this we can identify the azeotropes. Now we can see the example for maximum boiling azeotropes only. So for this maximum boiling azeotropes, components, mass of A and B in azeotrope, boiling point of A and B, and the finally we are getting azeotropes only. Generally all the temperatures here in the form of which one? Kelvins only. Let us see the first example. We have water and HCl. So the mass percent of HCl is 20.20 and the boiling point of water, water boils at how much temperature? 100 degrees Celsius, that you can write 373, and the boiling point of HCl is 188. Now the azeotrope boils at what temperature? Means here 383.0 Kelvin. Means what here? What are the definition of maximum boiling azeotropes? Okay, na? The solution which shows generally large negative deviation from the Raoult's law. Generally, the boiling point of the solution means azeotropes. The boiling point of the solution azeotropes is more than boiling point of the two components only. Already I wrote this example HNO3 and H2O. HNO3 percent is how much here? 68% only. Boiling point of A is 373. And the boiling point of HNO3 is 359. Okay, the composition boiling point means in the form of azeotrope. What is the temperature? 393. It is more than of the component A and component B only.